Alright, y'all know we're in Rockwall, Texas, and we're going to be checking out the Carmel Car Wash, which has,
no, that's Chevy.
Entrance.
I was about to tell
This
you
has a
Chevy.
double Sonny's tunnel.
Oh.
I don't know if it matters. Maybe take the left one if you can.
Yeah. $74 for a detail.
Okay, maybe just an exterior. 25 is the top. 8, 14, 20, 25.
Hello. We'll do the 20 Carmel Special.
$20.
So 20 or
Wash
25?
options.
How much? 20?
$20.
25 is the top.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I just now noticed this.
Just standing up somewhere, like, just walking.
I love how you put that in the windshield, or that was in the windshield for the video. That's gonna make people laugh.
Just remember
My
when
roommate loved Among Us just as much as I do.
there was like, I think, I can't remember where exactly, like, oh yeah, it was at your school. You posted on your story a picture or a video of some guy just right among us.
It was wonderful.
Alright, thank you.
Interesting. Alright, so we got the $25 wash today. Carmel Works Special Plus with ceramic wax.
Interesting.
Let's move that over.
Oh wow, this is a long bay.
I think it's more average.
Oh jeez. It was going while he was walking in front.
They know what they're doing. This is a double Sonny's tunnel. First double tunnel I've been through.
Smells like a chlorine.
Yeah, it does look a little older. The one Terrell I checked out was really good though. Made her curving.
Oh, that's really up on the car.
Another major curve.
You at the courthouse as you get out of here.
Yep. Big tunnel.
They think the courthouse way too noticeable.
These dryers should do better than the last ones.
Oh yeah.
unless they drive your car here.
I
Looks
think
like
it's
it.
part of it.
Oh yeah, 20 and 25, you're right.
Alright.
I've been in a couple
Oh, I
of
love
washes
how
where
somebody
they do
just
that.
parks in the grass there.
Oh well. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, y'all. This is the Carmel Car Wash, Rockwall, Texas. That'll be it for this video.